Check this out. This is from the flood upstairs for these idiots not fixing the damn pipes. The lady reported upstairs on the second floor the pipe is leaking. Now you got water coming down the first floor. I didn't wait inside. Here's where the leak is from. Look at this. This is where the leak is from.
Huh? This is crazy.
You should see. The tenement lobby
I saw it.
is all flooded out.
I've been going through this since yesterday, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Look at.
And this is messed up.
Look at.
How long the repairs you called for?
I called last night.
Last night?
But
that pipe, how long?
it's been like 2 months that I called them to let them know about the problem.
The water's coming down.
Because we were coming home with the flood. And
Yeah.
then they said it was here. They made us take everything out the closet. And they said it wasn't here. That it was upstairs in the 19th floor. And the lady wasn't letting them in. You know, a whole bunch of lies.
That's bullshit excuse.
Yeah.
But I bet you if it was a building, you know, downtown, they fix it fast.
Yeah. Ridiculous.
So I'm going to send this to the news again. I'm glad I got this one is even better than the last one.
Yeah.
Because they got mad. I went in the door and videotaped the other thing.
Good.
You got to do that to these guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
2 months you reported and they didn't do shit.
Shit.
But if it's a white tenant building, they come right away.
Oh yeah, of course. Ridiculous.
Okay, I've just recorded this and I'm gonna send it to the news because they want to